Hello guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX. Thank you so much guys for coming to our way and clicking onto this video to watch it. We are so grateful. Thank you for your support. So far we've seen support. We are seeing growth in our subscribers, in our views, and we are so grateful. Thank you so much. So today we are still going to do market analysis on 3 pairs. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Okay, so we'll go through 3 pairs today on Nzdcad, Gbpaud, and Nzdcad. So I'm on a monthly time frame of Audnzd, and as you can see, there's some sort of like consolidation, right? There's some sort of like consolidation. So this has been the highest on Audnzd, and I believe the lowest so far has been this particular level over there. All right, so you can see that. Then also you can draw a trend line here. I see some direction like this. Yeah, see some movement like that, because I've seen that area is being respected so much. Every time the market reaches there, it's pushed down and down and down and down and down and down. As you can see that this market is really coming down all the way. So from a monthly time frame, you can see that there is some selling opportunities either up to this level here or up to this level here. The reason why I've said this level here is because if we draw our zone like that, then you can see that these were just fake outs, up to this level. They had to come all the way to this level here to deceive people that it was continuing to sell. Then it started to buy. All right, let's go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, you can see that here it broke up trying to reach this level, and then there's support, broke to this level, the lowest so far. Then you can see some sort of trying to find support here to the up and this particular place also. From the daily time frame, what do you see from a daily time frame? Okay, so from the daily time frame, you can see that this market is trying to come to this, still on the bullish movement, trying to come up to this particular level here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. So from the 4-hour time frame, I see this here. Control that. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. And yeah, maybe we can draw this here and draw this level here like this. And it's simply because you see some support, break, resistance, came here to be resisted all the way down here. Alright, so we can also do this and draw this and that. Let's remove this. Okay, we are on a 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you see that this level has the capacity. You see that one time this level formed some sort of like a double bottom, if you can see it clearly. And what happened? We saw a push to the upside, right? And came here, we see some rejection to the downside, and then the market is here. So I see some sort of like a pin bar. If you look at this, where it looks like a pin bar. So what I will do is see that some buying opportunities here. Put my stop loss just below that. Then I'll just target 3 times. Yeah, Simple like that. That's what I will do, okay, to see if this market can push. And then what I will do is I will take my profit on this level here. I'll take some profit here. Then once I'm able to break here, because I see when the market got here, one time it came back down again. So once I'm here, I can take some profit and adjust my stop loss to break even and try and see if I can hold it up to 3 times my risk. Okay, yeah, and this was acted as a support, and now we see it acting as a resistance. That is the reason why I've drawn that line here. Or you can even just draw a zone like that, draw it as a zone, and perhaps change this color so that you can be able to identify and to see it nicely like that. So that's what I'll do on Audnzd. Let's go to our second pair, which is Gbpaud. Gbpaud, monthly time frame as usual, to try and get a general direction of the market. And from what you can see that Gbpaud has been on a bullish movement. So this is the highest and this is the lowest on Gbpaud. All right, then another thing I can see here from the monthly time frame, I see this, I see a trend line. I can draw a trend line there because I see that this acted support the up to this level here. The market came again, was not able to break this level, and then went up again up to here, and it was not able to break, and now it's trying to push up. So perhaps it might go up to here before it comes back, or it might go up to there before it comes back down. So you must always cater for possibilities. You must always cater for possibilities. Okay, remember, we are not market makers, so we look for possibilities. Okay, yeah. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see. So from the weekly time frame, what do I see on the weekly time frame? Let me zoom this a bit. Yeah, so you can see that can draw another trend line here, and draw another trend line over there, another trend inside that trend. And it's because you see there was a break, and then this acted as a resistance, another resistance to the down, then this place was resisted, and was resisted. Then the market found momentum to break, go up, and you see people just continue to go up, and then it fell all the way. So I can see that there's some, can get some buying opportunities up to there before looking for selling opportunities. All right, good. Let's zoom further to the daily time frame and see if you can be able to draw some levels. Okay, already I can see a level here. All right, I'm trying to look for the area that see a level over there. Okay, yeah. See a level over there. Change the color. Okay, and the reason why I've drawn that is because you see that let me clone this and put another one here. Like that, you see that there was some resistance here and here and here before they're able to consolidate and push up. Then fake people, it was going down, then form some sort of like a double bottom to push up, and came and fake people again, it was going down. All right, or even you can call this another level. can draw this as another level like that. Okay, but you don't want to have so many levels. We want to look for levels that currently affecting us, or levels that can help us at this particular level. So you see here there's some rejection here, came to the trend line, here. So there's another, I see another key level here. Okay, like that. And the reason why is because see that the market was rejected here, pushed, and then came down, found support to go. In fact, people, it was going down and then found support to climb up, then went all the way down, and now we are here now. As you can see, the market has been able to break and it's doing some sort of trying to look for it, and see this pin bar here. To me, it's a sign of reversal, so I will be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, buying opportunities from this level here up there. Okay, or also you can take profit at this level here, because you see the market came here and then came down, and also here you see also another level here. So you have to look for places that you know when to take profit. You can see this can actually act as a zone, because you see that the market came down here, and here also there's some rejection, then a break and a retest to go up. Then you see also here the market was able to break and find find support to the downward, right, the downside. Then as you can see, it has gone and to that level there, has come back. So if this level is able to hold, if this level is able to hold, then you can look for buying opportunities. And you can see just this small distance, because I'm on a daily time frame, so it's actually 250 pips, right? So if you're entering your buy, enter your buy there, put your stop loss just below there, then target for 1.5. So you're risking one time to make 1.5 time. If it is able to break, then you can go further to that level. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and see if you can find anything for us. So you can see that from the 4-hour time frame, let's remove this. From the 4-hour time frame, so this is still inside the zone. You can see that came close to our zone, then look like it's doing some form of trying to find some like resistance, some retest, find strength to be able to break. So remember to always take profit, so you can take profit at this level there. Okay, so if you enter your buy, you can target your profit at this particular level there, and then this particular level there, and this particular level over there. See, if we remove this and then we try and draw this as a zone on itself, and then draw this as a zone also on itself. Remember, you must try to look for all possibilities. Now, if I look at it that way now, you see that now this one I'll rather enter sell. Put my stop loss somewhere above that, then just target this point here. Alright, and the reason why I'll enter sell is simply because you see that I'm on a 4-hour time frame. The market was rejected just a little bit, but it was able to break up to this level here. Now it was pushed down, found support, push up, and came down again, found some support, formed some sort of like a triple bottom. Yeah, then it was pushed up. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let me show you something. I see something here. I see like a double bottom, this one, then there's another one, then there's another one like that. Okay, that's why I see that the market now came with a lot of strength to push all the way up now before it came down. Now you can see that it has been able to break this structure, this zone here, and did some retest to find momentum to go down. So this is very clear. 155 pips. So on Gbpaud, I'll enter my sell, and then I'll target at this particular point here 2.21 times. That's what I will do on Gbpaud. Okay, I think it's clear. Always remember, you can take some profits here, then you can hold up to this particular level here before maybe you close all your profits. All right, let's go to our last pair, and always remember to share your thoughts down below on what you think and what you will do in these particular instances. Yeah, let's move to our last pair, which is Nzdcad. Nzdcad, and we'll start from the monthly time frame. So Nzdcad, right? So from the monthly time frame, you see this to be my highest level, and the current lowest is this here, right? Even though the overall lowest level is that particular point over there, right? But I'm interested more in the current. So you can see that the market came all the way here, pushed it down. Now it's trying to push to the upside, and already from the monthly time frame, if I draw like this, then I'll be looking for buying opportunities for reasons which are so obvious. Number one, I see a pin bar here, right? And number two, I see a break of trend line. You see that when the market came here, it was pushed it down, got pushed again, came here, got pushed, came here, got pushed, and now the market has been able to come with momentum to break and do some sort of retest, and I see a pin bar. So to me, this is a clear sign that Nzdcad might be going long. The overall general direction is long, going long or buy. Okay, so that is one of the ways. So the reason why I go for higher time frame is try and find out the general move of the market to know where the market is moving. Remember, the trend is your friend. Okay, you must make the trend to be your friend. Don't force the trend to follow you, rather follow the direction of the trend. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, what do I see? Let's remove this here. So from the weekly time frame, you can see that there was some sort of support here. Not some sort of support, but there's some support there, and this has been an area. Maybe we can start from further there, like that. Okay, if we decide to stick on the current, then you can see that there was some sort of rejection here, then the market came all the way down to this level here, then support, rejection, then it's here. So also you can see that from the weekly, anticipating that this market might easily move all the way up to that particular level there. Okay, beautiful. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, I can still draw another trend line here, Okay, I can draw a trend line over there, and I can mark this. It's been the highest so far, the daily time frame. And the reason why I'm drawing this is because I saw this trend line was able, this area was able to support, came again to find support, went all the way, came again, closed this area, and came again. Every time the market gets this point, it pushes up, and you can see some pin bar here, and you can see some bullish engulfing. So I see that this market can easily push to that particular area over there, right? So I've already, so this is my weekly zone, which can also act as my daily, can also act as another zone. So we can draw, if you want to draw our daily zone, we can draw this particular point here. Okay, let's change the color so that we know the difference. Then we remember we are targeting this particular area over here. Okay, because you see rejection here, rejection here, rejection. That was a fake out on that fake out, rejection all the way. How you see the market is trying to push up. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame, I see another area inside here. Okay, so another area inside there. Let me change the color to that so that it can be able to be clear. And the reason why I've drawn that is because I see rejection here, and I see another rejection here, and I see support, and I see rejection, go down, break of structure, I see support, support, break of structure, I see rejection, some sort of like a fake out, and came back again, and now we are here. So from this, you can see that from the 4-hour time frame, market has formed some sort of like a double top. So if this market is not able to break this structure here, then I will be interested in sales, and I'll target this area over here, or I can exit at this area over here before now looking for my maybe my buy or so, right? But then if it's able to break this level, then I will be looking for buys. But from what I can see as at now, says the market was pushed to the down. It's like it came to do some retest, trying to find momentum to push to the, and it has formed something like a double top on the 4-hour time frame. And you see that here I'm interested in sales. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame and see if we can see more confirmation. And from the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, it's come very clear. And then also you can call this, you can look at this as a M formation. All right, it means that the market is going to reverse. Okay, that's an M formation. Okay, all right. And you can see this is like a pin bar, right? Looks like a pin bar, so the sign of reversal. So that means that here I'll enter my sell. I'll put my stop loss just above this. Okay, and then I'll take my first profit at that. Oh wow, it's already 3.2. Okay, take my profit, take my first profit here. Let me say here, then I'll continue holding up to this particular level here. So you can see that if this market reverses this way and comes all the way up to here, then that would be a beautiful it's going to be a beautiful 5.48. That means you're risking 1% to make 5 times. So if you risk like $100, you make $500. If you risk $500, then you're going to make $2,500. So this is very clear and very straightforward, and this is currently what is happening now. So I want to wait for this pin bar to close, and this candlestick to close, but already I can see that Excuse me, let me draw this. You can see that if I do like this market has not been able to break that came here, got rejected him here. So I see it as a correct M formation. So I'm anticipating that Nzdcad is going to fall up to this particular level. So guys, that was what we are looking at and what we are seeing on Nzdcad. Remember to like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. That is how you show us support. That is how you show us love. That is how you encourage us to keep on creating more content for you guys. Thank you so much. We are so grateful. Remember to stay safe and remember to keep learning and learning and learning and learning. Remember to practice on a demo account before you go to a real account. This is Eagle Eye FX signing.